everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm gonna show y'all how to add shine to your 360 waves. And you better watch the whole video because at the end I got a special surprise for y'all, man. Don't skip to the end of the video, actually watch the whole video because I might have some hints in there, you feel me, that's gonna lead up to the end of the video. So just watch the whole thing and don't forget to smash that like button for your boy. But guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video.
They know that I'm never lagging. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright y'all, so look, if you want to have great shine, great definition added to your waves, first thing you need to do, you need to wolf. If you're not wolfing, you're not gonna have that shine or that definition that you're looking for. So I want you to have a bit of hair on your head, at least 4 weeks of hair in order to add shine. If you want shine and definition, you need hair. But today's video, we're gonna be talking about shine. And since I'm already wolfing, it's gonna be easier for me to get shine. And unlike you, on the other end, if you have like a fresh cut, like a 1.5, you're not gonna get as good of a shine as me, who's wolfing. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you what you will need in order to add that shine that you're looking for into your waves. So first thing you will need is a moisturizer by 26 King Wavy. If you guys want this moisturizer, link is down in my description. Use my discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. Reason I'm using this is not really what adds shine to your hair, but this adds moisture and keeps your hair moist and, you know, not flaky and dry and everything. So you definitely need to start off with this before you go about your day. You don't want to go out in the streets, you feel me, with some dry scalp and some dry looking waves, you feel me? So you put that on your head, keep the moisture and everything. Then you finish up with the 26 King Wavy pomade. This is what adds shine to your waves. This holds in the moisture, helps lay your hair down, and adds great shine because, you know, that's what pomades do. So this pomade is really good and it smells amazing. Alright, so y'all stay tuned for the end of the video for the big announcement. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, moving on to the brushes. We're gonna brush in the moisturizer with our medium brush, and then we're gonna brush in the pomade with the soft brush. Another thing that could help you with shine, adding shine to your waves, is a plastic bag, which we do not have. I'm so angry and now I gotta go get some. Alright, so let's go to the market with me to get some plastic bag. Thank you 360 Juice from the future. 360 Juice just went and got me this hefty storage slider bag. Alright, these little plastic bags right here. Okay, so we're gonna use this. Oh snap. Hey Juice, they done mad small, yo. Come on, bro. Alright, but tell y'all, we're gonna have to work with this. Juice got me some small plastic bags. What I'm gonna do with these? I need something bigger, but this gonna work though. But yeah, you get this plastic bag. This will help lay your hair down and add the shine that you need for your waves. All right, let's get started. But yeah, y'all, it's 1:05. I haven't moisturized my hair yet. It's Sunday, you feel me? I ain't going nowhere. I only went to get the plastic bag, you feel me? First thing we want to do is add the moisturizer. So you want to get that. And add that to our hair to moisturize that joint, you feel me? Alright, so look, right? After you do that, you want to take your medium brush and just get a little brush session in. You feel me? You feel me? Just a little brush session, alright? Now you have to brush it in because that's how you're gonna get the moisturizer to sink into your scalp. You can't just put the moisturizer in your hair and just rag up. You gotta brush it in. Y'all see this fork right here? Give me 2 weeks, I'm gonna break it. It's right here. Y'all see it? I got a couple of forks right here, so I'm gonna break them. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Alright, so after you brush in the moisturizer, you feel me? Take a little pomade, take your 260 King Wavy pomade. And again, if you guys don't know where to get this pomade from, it's linked down in my description. Use my discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off your pomade. But yeah, this is the key right here. You definitely need that pomade. See the shine it adds to my hand? All of that shine is gonna go into your scalp, into your hair, to make your waves pop out. You feel me? Alright, so just apply the pomade. Now you want to take your soft brush. Now what this soft brush is doing is it's gonna lay the hair down. And once it lays that hair down, it's just gonna give it that pop. You feel me? That pop. And that's what you need if you want that shine on your waves. Alright, y'all, so now after you finish with that soft brush, you want to take your plastic bag. I hope you got a bigger one than this, but take your plastic bag, your Ziploc bag, and just go in. No, this not bad, but yeah, you just go in with that. Now, after you finish with that plastic bag, you just want to rag up, alright? Rag it up. You could double compress if you want. If you're wolfing heavy, double compressing will help with the lay down process and help bring out more shine, more definition, alright? I'm just going with one do-rag for now because I'm not wolfing too heavy right now, alright? Alright, y'all. Now that you're done, let me fix y'all real quick. Whew. Now that you're done, leave that do-rag on your head or get another wave cap, put that on. Leave it for about an hour, unrag, yo, you're gonna see some magic, alright? Alright, so I'm unrag for you guys about an hour from now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go edit this part of the video. And after I finish editing, I'm gonna come back and give y'all unrag. That might be like 1 or 2 hours later, but I'm gonna show you what the unrag look like. And I'm gonna show you guys the difference from when we first started this video to after, you know, the whole method that I just shown you guys how to add shine to your waves. But like I said, man, before we end this video off, before I do the unrag to show you guys the results, I told y'all I had a surprise for y'all at the end. So the surprise is, right, I have a 2-6 King Wavy pomade for you guys, alright? This is a freaking giveaway on the YouTube 360 YouTube, wait, what am I saying? 360 Juice YouTube channel. And if you watch this video only, this is the only video that I'm gonna be announcing this giveaway on. It's not gonna be on Instagram. This is between us. Alright, if you're watching this between us. I don't tell nobody. Alright, if they want to win this giveaway, they gotta watch this video to do what they gotta do to win. Alright, so what you have to do to win this pomade, 2-6 King Wavy pomade, I'm actually gonna add something to it. Alright, I'm gonna add my signature. Can I go to jail for that? I'm gonna just write something on it. It's not my signature. I'm gonna just write something on it. I got this marker right here. It's gonna be something. Alright, it ain't gonna be my signature. It's my signature. Don't tell nobody. So you see right here, I'm gonna put. I ain't never write no signature before, but let me just put 3J. Y'all, you know it's 360 Juice, so I'm gonna just put 3J. Dang, I better not mess this up. 3. Dang, that 3 look crazy, bruh. What? That's not me. The marker messed up. 3J. I can't write, bruh. I mean, oh, I messed the J up, cut. What the, bruh? Yeah, I messed that J up real bad. But yo, I write way better than this, but it just look, it look crazy. I'm gonna just write like a, oh heck nah. Alright, y'all. 3J, that's from boy 360 Juice. This look like some buzz. But that is the, wait, can you erase? Is it? No, you can't erase it. But yeah, this is the giveaway. Alright, the pomade by 2-6 King Wavy. So in order to win this, alright, first off, you gotta be subscribed to the channel, you feel me? Second off, make sure you smash that like button. Don't tap it, smash the like button. Number 3, comment down below, hashtag road to 200K, 200K, 200,000, 20K, hashtag road to 20K. And I'm gonna just scroll down the comments and just pick a lucky winner. And I'm gonna mail this out to you personally with the 3J, not the signature, but 3J written on it. It's a signature. But yeah, this is the giveaway. Thank you guys for watching the whole thing. If you watch the whole thing, you got to see this. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an unrag in 3, 2,